In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the border from a text box in Microsoft Word. Every time you insert a fresh text box in Word, it forces an ugly, rigid black boundary line around your words. Instead of letting your quotes, sidebars, and all callouts blend seamlessly into your page layouts, that default border screams amateur document design. And today we are completely vaporizing that line in exactly 2 clicks to give you a clean, professional look. So let's jump straight into your canvas. Open up your document and locate your target text box. Then, if you just click directly inside the text box, you're only editing that text layer. Look closely at the boundary line. If it looks like a dashed or dotted line, the text box container itself isn't fully selected. To fix this, you can move your cursor directly onto the outer edge of the frame and click once. In order to fix this, you just need to click on the border of your shape here and on either side and just click it once. The dash border will instantly lock into a solid line framework. And then the exact second that line turns solid, look up to your top ribbon navigation bar, and as you can see, the new hidden contextual panel will slide into view labeled Shape Format. Click it once to open the Styling Command Center. Now that you are inside the Shape Format Control Center, look near the middle of the ribbon panel under the Shape Styles block here. You will see a command button labeled Shape Outline right next to a small pencil icon. Click on it once and this will drop open the Color and Layout Make menu. Ignore all the color squares. You could slide your cursor down right below the standard color palettes and click on the option that says No Outline right here. And instantly, as you could see, the black border vanishes completely from your screen. And your document graphics are now perfectly optimized, completely stripped of distracting borders, and styled precisely to modern publishing standards. That is how to remove the borders from a text box in Word. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.